When we're talking about low voltage bullets, Hinkley, which is one of our preferred vendors, they make an aluminum bullet that's really good value that a lot of homeowners will use for do-it-yourself. We actually use their brass version. This is actually a solid brass. It weighs a lot. This is much lighter. It runs the same exact series of 8 bulb bright bulbs that we use in them. So when you use either fixture, this one costs more, and it's super rock solid. This guy is much lower cost. He still really performs well, but the results of the lighting itself are going to be exactly the same. So you need to keep that in mind. If you want a lower cost fixture, consider this one. When you want a really good looking fixture, or you're using it for downlighting in arbors and things like that, I recommend the Hinkley bronze one. But both of these run the same 8 MR16 LED light bulbs that we use from Bulb Bright.